there is no doubt that forex trading is one of the easiest ways to make money online, or maybe not the easiest, but one of those ways that you can actually make money online worldwide, no matter where you are. And I mean, looking at this channel, as we talk about ways to make money online, cash online worldwide, basically we look at those ways of making money online that are available for anybody anywhere in the world. So one of those ways is trading forex, and in today's video we're going to be breaking down this broker. Actually there is one broker, but it's like 2-in-1 brokers, where we're going to be where you can actually find volatility index, which is one of the markets that you can trade on the forex market. They are basically called synthetic indices, and they're one of those markets that you can apply your knowledge and make quite a lot of money compared to foreign currency pairs. So we're going to be diving straight into that in this video, so make sure that you stay tuned all the way to the end, as we're going to be breaking down this broker and what it is all about, right? So before we get started, before we get straight into that, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so that you don't miss out on the next videos, where I'm going to be releasing a few more videos on about this broker and everything that you need to know and how to get started, right? So if you're looking for a broker to trade V75, VIX 100, all those synthetic indices like boom and crash and everything, this is a broker. This is actually the only broker that offers those synthetic indices. So I'm pretty much happy to bring it to you. For those who don't know, we've been looking for a reliable broker and everything. So you might be wondering, why do they call it binary.com if they are trading forex and, you know, synthetic indices? But actually there is a platform where you can actually trade your binary. So looking at this right now, this is the binary screen. You can actually trade binary on this broker as well. So it's all about what you want to trade on this platform. So as you can see, with the smart trader, which is what you're seeing on the screen right now, you can actually trade binary options, a lot of options over there. So and then you have the web trader, the binary bot, and then the MetaTrader 5. So MetaTrader 5 is what we're going to be focusing on. That is where we're going to be having our we'll be able to trade our synthetic indices and any other pairs. So it basically have on mt5 you can have, you know, the foreign pairs, and then you can also have your metals like gold and silver and all those metals that you can trade as well. Even Nasdaq is on here, guys. So it's a really good broker. It's actually a good broker for Nasdaq as well. And the best things about this broker is that actually you don't have much spread, right? It's actually zero spread when you open a trade. So you basically have the opportunity to get straight into profits right off the bat, which is a great thing. So just to show you some of the what you can expect to trade on this market, as you can see right here on mt5, but it's also exactly what you're seeing here is also on mt5, right? But I'm just showing you what they have. So these are your foreign exchange pairs, as you can see. All the major ones, the minor ones, all of them are there. And then you even have the small ones, you know, the small ones that you have here as well. So you have US index, US tech index, which is basically our Nasdaq, right? And then you have the synthetic indices. So the main video about this, I mean, the main topic is about volatility index, 75 index. This is where you get it. This is the broker for it. And then the boom and crash, as I say, they're all here. You cannot actually trade them here, but they are basically here as well. So on mt5, that's where you'll be able to see everything that is available for you. So basically there's a link down below. It's an affiliate link. Sign up for your account with this broker. So one of the things that I should note to you is that there's no need for KYC for this broker, so you don't have to send in your IDs and selfies and so forth until you have reached 10,000 withdrawal max account, right? So if you've withdrawn up to 10,000 US dollars, that's the only time that you have to verify your account. So which is a bonus for this, right? So you can get started trading right away. So some of the different ways to actually deposit money onto this platform, as you can see, if you want to deposit into your USD account, you basically have all this. You have ZincPay, you have MasterCards and your Visa cards. So this is one of my favorite ways. I believe a lot of people also use this way. But you also have Skrill, you have Neteller, you have Perfect Money, ATM, you get some of these wallets that are just all over the world that a lot of people use, and faster pay. I think a lot of countries also make use of that. But I mean, if you have Visa card and ZincPay, that's basically mostly what most people need to be able to fund their account, as well as Skrill over there, right? So But I also want to I also want you to know the fact that when you sign up, you actually have an opportunity to create up to 5 accounts, right, of different currencies. So this one is in Bitcoin. This is your official one will be in USD or Euro or whatever currency that you choose when you're signing up for the broker, right? As I said, the link is down below. So when you're creating your account, they'll ask you which currency your base currency should be. So that's where you choose either USD, Euro, or whatever currency that will be presented for you over there. And then you can also open a BTC account. So obviously for this one, you'll be able to fund with your Bitcoin. For this one, you'll be able to fund you with your Litecoins, Ethereum, USD Tether. Basically those are the cryptocurrencies that you can fund your account with. So if you get any of those cryptocurrencies or you want to withdraw into those cryptocurrencies, this is how you you just have to open that account by simply clicking on the create account button, and then you see which accounts are available for you to create, right? And then you create your account, and then you'll be able to have them over here, right? So basically, obviously, when you sign in, you can choose which account you want to be working with, and then that's where your trading funds will be located, right? So you can also do transfers in between the accounts, right? You can transfer money from a Bitcoin account to your USD account, or you can transfer money from your USD account to your Litecoin, your Ethereum, if you want to withdraw cryptocurrencies instead of fiat currencies, right? So it's also a good broker to do that. You can actually do that inside without having to withdraw your US dollars and then going to buy Bitcoin or Ethereum or Litecoin. So that is that when it comes to that. And then when it comes to withdrawing your money, it's also the same thing. So you have a Visa card. It's actually 24 hours to get your money out of from this platform. So you have credit card, you have Skrill and Netailer. So almost all these options that you're seeing here, they're also available for your withdrawal. So it all depends on the method that you have used to deposit your account, right? You can also use that to request a withdrawal, right? So as I said, also when you come here, you can also transfer them to these accounts and then be able to withdraw from these accounts, right? So it's all up to you what you want to withdraw from this platform. But in my experience, it takes about 24 hours maximum to get your money in your account to be credited. So that's another thing, is very fast when it comes to withdrawals, and deposits are obviously instant depending on which if you deposit in US dollars. But for cryptocurrencies, obviously Bitcoin needs about 3 confirmations, I believe, and then LTC, I think also 3 confirmations. So it just depends on the blockchain of that cryptocurrency, then your money will be credited. But it's pretty much instant when it comes to deposits, and then for the withdrawals up to 24 hours that you can expect. So that's that about this. So what I want you to note also is that recently, as you can see, they're actually rebranding from binary.com to deriv.com. So on deriv.com, you can actually sign in with the exact username and password that you're using on binary.com, because it's basically the same platform, but it's just rebranding to deriv.com, right? So for those who already have binary.com an account, you just have to log in over here with those exact same details. So you don't have to sign up again for the platform. You just have to simply log in with those details, and you'll be able to use deriv.com, right? So basically everything is pretty much the same because you're logging into your exact same account, right? So if you go to your accounts as well, you'll be able to see that I have my Bitcoin or my cryptocurrency wallets as I had on my binary.com, right? So the links down below is going to take you to either binary.com or straight away to Deriv platform, right? So that you can create your account. But it basically it works exactly the same thing. So whether you open an account on binary.com or you open it on deriv.com, you're basically opening an account on the same platform, right? So I just want to make that clear for you so that you don't get confused on that. So for you to be able to trade the synthetic indices, you basically need to open your mt5 account. So this is where you open your mt5 account, and then if you come to binary.com, you basically have to go to mt5, right, MetaTrader 5, and then you'll be able to go open your MetaTrader accounts. But here, as you can see on the deriv right here, which you most probably going to be using if you just signed up recently for binary.com, they're most probably going to take you to this new website so they can get started with this, right? You just have to add for financial. So for financial, that's your normal currency pairs, but it'll be on mt5, right? They don't actually have mt4 here. It'll be on mt5. You'll be trading your USD JPY, you know, your common ones, your gold, your metals, and all your oils and everything. That's where you'll be able to trade it over here. So you just have to create an account, and then you have it over there. But as you can see here, I have a synthetic account that has been set up. So financial STP So that's another account that you can also open over there. So and then for you also have the opportunity to open a synthetic account over here, since you don't have one already. So that's just how you do that. So you just have to select whether you want it on USD or you want it on Bitcoin. So if I select Bitcoin over there, on Bitcoin over there, you can see that I can still find my synthetic account with that from Bitcoin to my synthetic account, right? So you can, this is basically like the holder for your money, right? So it holds the money that you send in, and then from there you can send it to your trading account where you want to trade. But when it's in here, you can also trade on this platform right here, which is basically you'll be trading binary over here. So for those who want to trade binary directly, like IQ options type of binary trading, this is where you do it. Over there your funds will be in this account. But once you want to log into your MetaTrader 5, you have to move your accounts to this account over here. So it's just a simple transfer in between your accounts. So if I can show you on MetaTrader on binary.com how it actually looks like. So right here, before we go to binary.com, if you come here and you click on the on this menu right here and go to mt5, basically you'll be able to see your synthetic account and your financial account. So here in the financial, you can trade your commodities, your cryptocurrencies, major and standard micro lots and minor currency pairs with high leverage. So as you can see, up to 1,000 leverage, stop out level 75%. So what this means is that when your account when you're trading, right, you see that the margin level that you see that is usually above 100%, and it's just increasing, just depends on your amount of money that you have and what pair you're trading, right? So once it reaches 75%, that's when you'll be stopped out, all positions will be closed, or the account will actually blow. So that's what it means over there. And then we have the financial STP. So here you trade your major, minor, exotic currency pairs and cryptocurrencies with the straight through processing. So this is directly to the market. There's no, like, you're not trading with the broker itself. So here again, as I said, there's no commissions excluding cryptocurrencies. So there's no commissions when you open your trade, which is a good thing. So here you just come here and then you fund your account but with a fund transfer, and then you can transfer from whatever account that you want to this account, right? Then you'll be able to have it over there. So here you can see wherever I have money, I can actually select that account, and then I can use it to fund to my account, so to my synthetic account, or to my from my synthetic account to my USD account, so that I can withdraw, right? So it's all up to you what you want to do, but basically that's how it works. So, and then they'll give you the ratio and everything, the limits or whatsoever. And then a quick note over here. So as you can see, you can only transfer up to 4 times for deriv accounts and up to 12 times for mt5 accounts. So that just means like your transfer from one account to another account is actually limited. And then this is the fees over there, 2% fee or a minimum of that amount in Bitcoin when you transfer in Bitcoin, obviously. So that's basically it. That's how you transfer your account over there on deriv.com. And then for those who are still using binary.com, you'll be able to transfer from this account, from this page as well, right? So you go to your trade, under trade, you go to MetaTrader 5, and then here you see all your accounts. So if you come over here, you see that you can actually transfer your money right from one account to another account. So you just have to select, this is actually a demo account, so you have to select a real account, so real account over there, and then you go to transfer funds, right? So you'll be able to, so from here you can actually add funds, and then you can also do your transfers right from your account which has money to the mt5 account that you'll be trading, right? And then you can also do vice versa to withdraw your account from your mt5 back to your main account where you can request a withdrawal, right? So this is basically where you'll be able to do it. You put your amount over there and then you transfer to mt5. Here you put your amount there and then you transfer it back to your main account that you'll be logged in as over here. So as you can see right now, I'm using the USD account. That's where my funds will be transferred, and then I can go to cashier and then request a payout from that account, right? So that's basically how that works. So if you got any questions, please let me know in the comments section down below, and I'll be more than happy to help you out. And if you got any suggestions for the next videos, please let me know, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. You can also join the Telegram group for quick updates with the link above. So I'll see you in the next one. Peace.